Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about, well, the importance of actually nurturing relationships and how relationships are currency. And I've actually been planning this video for a while, but what better illustration than this Tarpon Coast fishing Brock Horner debacle that is an example of what not to do as a business owner in Florida or anywhere for that matter. So, in case you have missed it, this captain, as we'll call him, Brock Horner, was recently gone viral berating a kid and jumping on his boat and basically threatening to beat the crap out of him and that he's an Army Ranger and et cetera, et cetera. Well, it turns out Brock Horner is the owner, or perhaps maybe at this point, the former owner of Tarpon Coast Fishing, and he is the now been deemed it's kind of a joke now, the best charter captain boat in the world or whatever. There's kind of the joke going around about him now, but you made your bed, you lie in it, Brock. So his website, near as I can tell, is down right now. I've tried to jump on it to just get like his bio on here, but so he is in the Sarasota area, Charlotte County area, doing charter fishing, and of course went viral, jumping on this kid's boat. Apparently there was an exchange, and you can watch the videos, they're all over social media. And the point of this is an object lesson, which maybe for many of you would go without saying, but as a business owner I can tell you from experience that this is absolutely not the case. But so uh, as a business owner, you are in a position anymore with this digital world with people recording where you're going to be held accountable for your actions. So you need to think very cautiously about how you are going to represent yourself to the public. You really need to be nurturing relationships and treating everybody as a potential customer, and not just them, but who they may know. So the whole thing that word of mouth goes a long ways. Well, in this case, word of mouth turned into viral videos. And near as I can tell, I was wanting to look up this Brock Horner's Google listing, his map listing, because I wanted to see if he caught all kinds of hate on there. I was curious, and I can't even find it. So he must have taken it down, which means he could be even out of business at this point. But anyway, he made a big ass out of himself. With what he did, and this kid recorded the video. I mean, the kid kept his calm, but regardless of who was at fault in the exchange, if it was this kid or if it was somebody else, as a business owner that owns a charter fishing business, you need to be very mindful of how you are representing yourself in public, period. With the internet and with people videoing, you really need to be mindful of how you're representing yourself as a business owner, because that can backfire quickly. Now, I'm certain we all have had bad days. We've all had to raise our voice at people. But this, of course, went way out of line and got way out of hand. But it's an object lesson. So, as a business owner, don't put yourself in these situations. You need to conduct yourself in a manner that is not going to give you terrible exposure and, of course, ruin your business. So, like I said, these videos, in all reality, are holding people accountable. I'm not opposed to them because the same power of the internet that can show who are really bad people to do business with can also shine a light on people who are really good to do business with, and you can take advantage of that. Now, from a business owner standpoint, and in our channel here, this is like what we like to talk about. We like to talk about business, best practices, a lot of marketing your business services. So we like to go into stuff like that. And if you've watched any of our other videos, we always talk about the importance of over delivering, and if you are working for a vendor, remembering that you're representing them. So always kind of putting your best foot forward. I'd actually invite you to subscribe to the channel and watch more videos where we talk about various business development tactics. But again, I thought uh, this was the perfect opportunity to showcase what not to do as a business owner, because this has probably put this gentleman out of business all because of temper. He didn't have temper control. He didn't have emotional intelligence. And one of the key functions of an entrepreneur is having emotional intelligence. It is going to be directly related to your success or failure in a case. Potentially, this Captain Brock Horner, this is potentially the failure that's, not to use a pun, but sinks his ship. Um, which is just, it's ashamed. He should have been more mindful of that, and he should have been better behaved, but it is probably just a representation of the character flaws that he had inherently. Um, as a business owners, we own a notary business, and oftentimes we will come across notaries that they really underperform. They have really poor communication, and it's just to us, it's we can tell that they are either very not experienced in what they do or serious, because if you were taking it serious, you would want to try to create that over delivering. You'd want to over represent to make sure that you stood out from your competitors. You stand out in a sea of mediocrity. And so here is just a flagship example of such. A lot of charter fishermen in Florida, a lot of charter fishermen in the southwest coast of Florida, and why would anybody use this guy who's a flaming lunatic that now has got viral exposure for just how unstable he is? There's even a meme that compares the skipper from Gilligan's Island who crashed the boat and deserted him, and this guy. So there is a saying in business that there's no such thing as bad publicity, but I would beg to differ in this instance. Definitely, there is a such thing as bad publicity. So that's it. Think about this as a business owner, that you're out there representing yourself. Even if you have like branding on your car, which we recommend you do, you vinyl wrap your car, or you put your brand name in the back, pull off in traffic and basically acting obnoxious because you're making your business look obnoxious. So this can go even down to minute levels. Protect your reputation. Okay. Speaking of reputation, we do as business owners and business consultants, we do help businesses to get their Google Map listings. And I'll show you, we have links will be in the descriptions, of course, but we do have a Google Maps SEO course or optimization course. And this just simply shows people how to climb their listings, their rankings on Google Maps by several different mechanisms, so that you can, of course, get more local leads and generate more revenue. And of course, if you are a Florida business that is looking to become an LLC or a DBA, we have our LLC Launch Quick Start Guide. This is a service that our business actually offers to people looking to start a business in Florida. So we do it for them, but we charge a fee of $150. But we did create a simple $27 course that just shows you how to do it yourself completely. So, a few things that I'll put links in the description, as well as a couple other things like using video marketing, like this video you're watching here, for example, to market your services and stand out from the competition. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please subscribe, and by all means, comment. Give me your thoughts on the best boat captain, the best charter boat captain in the world, Brock Horner. What your thoughts are on that if you saw that video, and maybe even if you've had examples of where you've had to keep yourself in check, or you've worked with another business that has flat out screwed you over, what your experience with that was. We've certainly dealt with this on the other end with businesses like non-paying, where we've had to go after their reputation to make sure that we receive proper payment. So these are just the reality of doing business in 2025. That's it for today, guys. God bless. We'll see you on the next one.